So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks how to put your false eyelashes. So I'm using this 5 natural false eyelashes and I'm so loving it. If you can see, I already done on the other side of my eyes. So now I'm gonna get my scissors. I only using from my sewing kit anyway. So now I'm just going to trim some excess product in the inner part of my eyelashes, and then I'm just gonna measure it before you trim the outer corner of the false eyelashes. So then try to put it on again to make sure if you got the right length that you want to. So now I'm gonna put some eyelashes glue. So you can use any type of eyelashes glue anyway, but I'm using the liquid based waterproof eyelashes glue. Then put enough product on the tip of the eyelashes, just a little bit, and then make sure to dry it first before you're going to put it on into your eyeliner. So here I am trying to glue it to dry the glue quickly. So if you think it's dry enough, then time to put it on the eyelashes now. So always put it into the middle, so you don't want to overboard into both ends of your eyeliner, and make sure it stick on properly. I'm using anyway this eyelashes applicator tools. I really loving it. It's so handy and it's help a lot to put easily the eyelashes. Anyway, just make sure it's tucked in properly both side of your eyeliner, because you don't want to undone the eyelashes. So anyway guys, hope you enjoy this tutorial, and bye bye for now. See you on my next video. Muah.